Hello, dear students.
Hello, Mr.
How do you feel today? You fine? Very good. Me too. Today we have a new topic, and we are going to talk about the modal will. When do we use will? Sorry. What do you know about the use of will? To talk about what, for example?
Predictions.
Exactly. But do we talk about the past, the present, or the future? To talk about the future. Very good. Okay, clap for him. Excellent. Good. Yeah. And he said we use the modal will to talk about the future, to talk about prediction, to talk about promise, and to talk about instant decisions. Right? So yeah. Well, now is your turn, guys. You are going to repeat, and I'm just going to listen. Everybody together, please.
Eat, invite, travel, arrive, come back, play, sleep, spend, rest, do, ride, hide.
Now listen to me. Come back.
Come back.
Come back.
Come back.
Very good. Now you are going to repeat, and I'm just going to listen. Got it?
Eat, play, invite, arrive, travel, swim, spend, do, rest, swim, ride, hide.
Very good. Clap for you guys. Excellent. Well, now I want some of you are going to read one specific verb, just to clarify. Okay? What about you?
Hey.
Eat,
Very good. Clap for you guys. Excellent. Good job. Well, now we are going to practice about the grammar, right? So before we said that we use the auxiliary verb will to talk about promise, to talk about prediction, and to talk about instant decision. It's okay, right? I'm going to give you some example for you to have a better idea the use of each of them, okay? Okay, please everybody copy. Okay, now please everybody repeat after me. I will go to Managua tomorrow. Everybody repeat after me. I will go to Managua tomorrow. Next, you.
I think it will rain.
Okay, I think it will rain. Remember to talk about prediction. So I think it will rain based on some evidence. For example, let's suppose that we go outside of the classroom, and let's suppose that it's very cloudy. So what is according to my perception, according to my prediction, if the clouds are dark here, of course, I think it will rain. So we use will to talk about predictions. So I can predict something based on some evidence. Well, in this case, I will call for you. So in this case, we are going to talk about offers too. So I will call for you. Like it's an instant decision as well, right? Got it? Well, so in the present we have will, but now let's suppose, and we are going to talk about the negative part. Like for example, I won't go to the party. This is a promise. You say, I won't go to the party, right? Or you can say the opposite. I will go to the party. So this is my promise, right? Got it? Okay, now everybody repeat after me. I will call for you.
I will call for you.
I won't go to the party.
I won't go to the party.
Okay, any question? Any question? No question. Well, so now I'm going to give you some pictures. I'm going to give you some pictures, and you guys are going to write down one sentence using the picture, but I will give you an example. Let's suppose that I have here some chips, right? For example, if you go to Ometepe Island, and I will say, so my plan is like, my prediction, I will go to Ometepe Island next weekend, right? So I'm saying something. So I'm going to give you one picture, and you're going to write down one sentence using the picture that I will give you, using the will, okay, to talk about the future. Understand?
Yes.
Well, okay. Take one and pass the rest. Take one and pass the rest. Take one and pass the rest. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes, guys, so hurry up. Please, everybody, write down your sentence. Well, any question, guys? Any question? Yes?
Why is call for you? I don't understand.
I will call for you. Well, in this case, remember that we talk about offers, like instant decision. It's like, for example, when you say, we need to call the hotel, and you say, we need to call the hotel. You say, I call for you, right? It's an instant decision. Understand? Yeah. And you can also use contraction. You can also say, for example, I'll, repeat after me, I'll, will, they'll, it'll, etc. So it's not just in this way, like I will. You can also use contraction like, repeat after me, I'll, will, they'll, it'll, etc. Okay? Any question? Okay, now I need 4 volunteers, one by one. Remember that I gave you one picture and you're supposed to write one sentence using the picture. But of course, using the structure that we are studying today. Okay? Volunteer, please raise your hand. Yes?
I will go to Bluefields. I think I will arrive tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Very good. Excellent. Great job. Clap for him. One more volunteer. Okay, you first and then you, okay? Yeah. Yes?
I will travel on Metepe Island. I think it will spend $300.
Yeah, very good. Okay, clap for him. Excellent. Okay, remember guys, when we talk about, it's not island, repeat after me, it's island. Island, yeah, very good. Excellent. Yes?
I will go to Salvador Allende. I think I will swim in the water park.
Very good. He will swing in the water park. Yeah, it's very popular right now. Next. Good. One more volunteer. Okay?
I will go to Tontales. I think I will ride a horse.
A horse. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Well, guys, so now remember that we use will to talk about the future. So to talk about prediction, to talk about promise, to talk about different things, right? Very good. So now you're going to get together because you're going to work in groups. So I'll explain to you what exactly you are going to do. So now we will have a conversation, right? Like a dialogue. Yeah. May I erase the board? May I erase?
Yes, you may.
Thank you. Well, in the next activity, I'm going to give you a sheet of paper, and this is called information gap. So you're going to ask 3 questions to your classmate, and you're going to try to get information from him about the future. I'll give you an example, right? I'll give you an example. Let's suppose that I have this picture. So my plan right now is to go to the water park in Salvador Allende, for example, right? So, and somebody's going to ask me, where will you go? I'm going to say, for example, yeah. Please, I'm going to write down and you're going to copy, okay, the questions. 3 questions. 1, 2, and 3. Where will you go? This is question number 1. Question number 2. How much money will you spend? And the other is, when will you come back? So 3 different questions. So I need 1 volunteer to give you the example. 1 volunteer. Yes? Okay, you first, you're going to ask me, okay? And I'm going to answer, yes?
Where will you go?
I will go to the water park.
When will you come back?
I will come back this evening.
How much money will you spend?
I will spend probably 200 Cordobas. Okay, thank you. So that's exactly what you are going to do. You're going to get in pairs and you're going to do the same thing, but using the same information that you have right now. Okay, got it? Good. Okay, get in pairs. Get in pairs. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So I need the first group, okay? The first, yeah. Okay, do it. The rest, please remember, just listen, okay?
Where will you go?
I will go to Ometepe Island
When will you come back?
tomorrow.
How much money will you spend?
3,000 Cordobas. Where will you go?
I will go to Bluefields.
When will you come back?
Tomorrow at 3 p.m.
How much money will you spend?
5,000 Cordobas.
Very good. Clap for them. Excellent. Good job. Okay, just remember, okay? Remember, it's 1,000. Everybody repeat after me. 1,000.
1,000.
Very good. Next volunteers. Okay?
Where will you go? I will go to Moto Canyon. When will you come back? Next month. How much money will you spend? 2,000 Cordobas. Where will you go? I will go to the water park Salvador Allende. When will you come back? Next Sunday at 2 p.m. How much money will you spend? I will spend about 300 Cordobas.
Very good. Excellent. Clap for them. Good. Good job. Well, guys, you did a great job today. So, but let's review about the class today. I want you to give me some examples using this structure, the ones that we practiced today. We use future will to talk about what? To talk about? Promise.
Instant predictions.
Prediction and instant decisions. Very good, okay? Excellent. but I want you to give me more examples. Can you give me one example of each of them? Yes?
With a promise.
Uh-huh.
I will help you with your homework.
I will help you uh-huh,
with your homework.
with your homework. I will help you with your homework. Do you agree with him that he's a, what is that?
Promise.
It's a promise. Do you agree with him? That is a promise? Do you agree? Yes. Excellent. Very good. Clap for him. Okay? Now give me a different example. Volunteer, please. Volunteer. No volunteer? I'm going to point. Okay? Okay, you. I will do my homework now. What is that? What is that? Is a decision, a promise, or prediction?
It's an instant decision.
Instant decision. Very good. Excellent. Clap for her too. One more example, please. One more example. Volunteer. Okay?
Will be great.
Sorry? The
Will be great.
will be great. Is that okay? Can you give me more details? Volunteer? Volunteer? It's okay, but we need to add more. Yes.
For example, I will go to the park. I will go to
Okay, the party will be great, right? The party will be great. Excellent. What is that? The party will be great. What is that? It's a prediction. Excellent. Very good. Okay, guys, clap for you. Very good. That was the idea. So, any questions so far? Any question about the topic today? No question. Okay? Now, let's do the homework. Okay, please copy the homework. Now pay attention to me, please. Listen to me now. So the idea is that you're going to bring a future vacation. It could be with your friends or it could be with your family. And you're going to include all the structures that we practice today, similar like the one you did with the picture. For example, I will go to Salvador Allende, I will swim in the water park, etc. Right? So things like that. You're going to give more details, but using the structure that we practice today with the modal verb will. Any question, guys? Any question? No question. Okay, thank you for coming today and see you tomorrow. Clap for you guys. Good job.